Welcome to Elizabeth Hall, one of our first-year residence halls. On campus, we call it Liz. Let's go inside. So Claire and Emma invited us to her room, so let's go check it out. Hi guys.
Hey.
Hi Sophia. Can I come in?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I love your room. So pretty.
Thank you.
So can you guys show me around?
Yeah, sure.
Of course. So this is my side. Each room comes with a desk and each has built-in drawers. And we also have 2 beds right here on each side. We decided to put them on each side of the room to give ourselves a little bit more space. And we also have 2 dressers in the room, but we both decided to put a little bit under bed storage just for a little extra drawers for our things. We also decided to get these nightstands because our beds are lofted, so it's a little bit easier to access things when we're up in our bed super high.
Yeah. I also have another really good life hack. We have these shower caddies because we don't have our own individual showers, so we have to go to the shower, so we bring these little shower caddies around.
So when you're going to the bathroom, your shower caddy is a little bit small, so it's good to get small sized bottles, like the travel size bottles, to put your shampoo and conditioner in, so you don't have to bring the full size every single time you go to the bathroom because it gets really heavy.
So another thing I really recommend for the dorm rooms is just simple, a rug. It makes it very cohesive and just very homey.
Let's talk about storage. What about your closets?
So we get these big wardrobes in Liz. We decided to put a hanging mirror on the front of the cabinet just to give ourselves a little bit more room before we go out the door for the day. But here's my closet. I actually got a shoe rack to put on the back of my door to hang all of my shoes. We also have this built-in rod where you can hang your clothes, and then there's the shelf where you can put extra storage on top. And I decided to put a little bin at the bottom because I have a lot of shoes, as you can see, but it's got plenty of space and it really does work in the dorm room.
So what about studying? Do you guys usually stay in the room? Do you go to the library, Bush, KWR? What do you guys do?
So I utilize everywhere on campus. I go to Bush, KWR, but also this desk is really good for studying. As you can see, it's huge. I have space for all my books, my laptop, and also it's perfect to do makeup. I have my mirror and to get ready. And also, while I do my makeup, I love to look at the view. So much sunlight comes in. I also really strongly recommend a good mattress topper because you will be using this bed obviously to sleep and also as your couch and sitting area. So you need to make sure it's very comfortable.
So how about living in Liz? How do you like it?
I personally love to live in Liz. I feel like we've
Yeah.
had a really great experience this year. One great thing is that you get to meet a bunch of fellow first-year students because living in the same hall definitely brings you a lot closer with people in your grade. Also, we love to utilize the common room area upstairs on the 2nd floor. It's a really great way to go and hang out with your friends. You can play ping pong upstairs, you can watch movies, there's a lot of things to do.
Also, the bathrooms are so nice. Even though they're communal, it honestly doesn't even feel like they're communal. Every single bathroom on every floor has little LED mirrors, so if you want to use those to get ready, you can.
There's also laundry rooms on every single floor, so it's really easy to do your laundry. You can even go to other floors sometimes and do your laundry there. It's super open to anybody. You don't have to ask. You can just go and do your laundry whenever anything is free.
So I'm glad that you both have had such a great experience at Elizabeth Hall this year. Thank you so much for showing me around.
Of course.
Thanks for coming.
Show myself out.
See you later.
See ya.
Hope you enjoyed our tour around Elizabeth Hall. If you're a first-year student, this is a great place to live. Hope to see you soon.